Now, there is a particular YouTube setting that could potentially be hurting your YouTube channel. And this setting is just new and was recently introduced by YouTube, and many creators don't even know how this setting is killing their views. This setting only works well for bigger creators but not small channels. So what you need to do is to turn this setting off, because by default this setting is kept on by YouTube, and you need to turn it off so that YouTube can start recommending your videos. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what this setting is in a short while and how this setting is killing your views. But before I even go into that, if this is the first time that you're watching my videos, please take a moment and smash that subscribe button, because here I do share realistic and working YouTube growth tips and strategies that could help any small channel unlock its growth potential. Now, without any further ado, let me take you to this setting and show you how it could potentially be killing your views. Now go to your YouTube dashboard, tap on it. Then on this menu bar down here, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on channel. Then go to advanced settings. Now scroll down. So the setting that I'm talking about is auto dubbing. You see by default it's on. So you just need to turn it off. I just turned it on to show you this demonstration. So just turn it off like that. Then save. Now, auto dubbing may sound helpful, but it actually confuses the YouTube system and your viewers. And that's what kills your views actually. So when this setting is on, it keeps changing the audio language automatically, even when the viewers prefer the original voice. And when this happens, people may click off immediately when they hear a voice that isn't yours, and this kills retention. And again, YouTube shows your videos to the wrong audience. For example, if auto-dubbing creates a Spanish version of your English video, YouTube may push it to Spanish-speaking viewers who may never watch your videos for long, and this also destroys retention. And when retention is low, the YouTube algorithm automatically stops recommending your videos because it assumes that your videos are not good enough for people to watch for long. And again, viewers may feel that your video is fake or of low quality because when the dubbed voice doesn't match your tone or style, they will skip fast and your audience signals will become so weak. And that's how you will continue losing views when YouTube stops recommending your videos. And lastly, it also splits your watch time because YouTube treats each dubbed version of your video like a separate experience, and this divides your performance signals instead of strengthening a single strong video. So instead of helping, this auto-dubbing setting ends up lowering retention, confusing the algorithm, disappointing viewers, and further reducing recommendations. So that's why turning this setting off gives your video a cleaner, stronger signal so YouTube pushes it to the right people. So always keep this setting off for YouTube to keep on recommending your videos. If you found this video helpful, like it, and you can also share it with others who may also need it and who may not know about this setting and how it's hurting their channels. And most importantly, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss any updates whenever I share more settings like this. See you in my next video.